Homes like this don't show up often. Prime location, premium community amenities, and modern upgrades throughout the entire home. Today is your lucky day. I have a true gem right behind me, located right outside Orlando, Florida. And this isn't just a home. This is where your next family memories are gonna be made. Let's take a look. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida, where I go all around the area looking for the best opportunities for you. And today we are in Longwood, Florida. Just 20 minutes outside of Orlando, this community is in a prime location. With nature surrounding you, you are also really close to the city as well. Now, to give you a bigger picture of where we are just 20 minutes outside of downtown Orlando and 15 minutes to Winter Park. And just less than an hour away, you're also close to the theme parks and the beaches on the coast, such as New Smyrna, a local favorite. We're gonna be touring this home right behind me that features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a private pool, and an additional dwelling unit in the back. Now locally, you're gonna have your Target, Walmart, Costco, everyday amenities just outside the community. Within the community, you're gonna have a tennis court, pickleball, with private access to the lake, plus 2 playgrounds with a park as well. This is a true family-friendly community, and if you're looking for that Florida lifestyle, this is it. Now, with all major components of the home freshly updated, that's gonna ensure peace of mind for when you move in. Let's start the tour right outside. As we walk up to the property, you're going to see that you have a paved walkway. Not only leads you to the front of the property, but you're also going to have a side-facing garage with a paved driveway as well. You're going to have additional parking for the ADU towards the back of the home. Now this property sits on 0.89 acres, so you have land, privacy, and tons of space to create some memories. You have beautiful trees surrounding the home that not only offer privacy, but also shade in the summertime. Now you can see that it is a modern exterior out here with a little bit of a farmhouse vibe. You have a beautiful porch entry right over here, some nice lanterns, and updated finishes, as you can see when we get in. Let's go see. Upon stepping into the home, you are greeted with a traditional foyer. Now this property is a little over 3,500 square feet. With 4 bedrooms in the main house, there's gonna be a 5th bedroom in the additional unit out back. But first, let's go take a look at the main house. Over to my left, behind these French doors, is gonna be a flex room that can be considered as a 5th bedroom because you have a closet inside. They've staged this to be a home office, as you can tell, but this room overlooks the front of your property with these beautiful bay windows. Now, a few things to keep in mind are that all major components of the home have been recently updated. The roof is from 2023. The AC, electrical, and plumbing all recently updated. You're gonna have brand new windows as well. Now we are now in the private dining room, and this is the most beautiful space to host holiday dinners, birthday parties, and truly an amazing space for families to gather. You can see that it fits about 6 to 8 people, but truly an amazing space to host some dinners. Now, directly from your dining room is gonna be your kitchen. Now, the one thing that's gonna stand out is this expansive kitchen island. This quartz countertop has a waterfall effect, but it's the details that matter. You're gonna have little arches tucked in and a beautiful Venetian plaster on your range hood. Now, over to my left, you're gonna have your laundry room and your garage access, but we'll take a look at that a little bit later. This kitchen offers tons of storage. So if you're prepping for Christmas and you have family coming over, you're integrated in this entire room. You have tons of space on the countertop and storage behind this kitchen island as well. You have premium appliances and soft close cabinetry that is custom as well. Now you're also going to have a beautiful stacked stone accent above the tile in the backsplash too. Now directly behind this door is going to be your primary bedroom. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. But over here you have a breakfast nook with big windows that overlook your backyard. Now the kids are doing homework, you're prepping dinner. This is going to be a great functional space. You have a coffee and wine bar over here, so for my latte lovers, the perfect place to make your espresso in the morning. Now facing the kitchen, you're going to have your gathering space, living room, however you want to call it. You have vaulted ceilings, a beautiful light fixture, and placement on this wall for a television. You have a lot of furniture space here if you wanted to get a bigger couch, but the staging can show you how much space you have. Now, directly behind this wall, you're going to have 3 guest bedrooms. Over to my right, this is going to be the first linen closet, which you'll see throughout the entire home. The first guest bedroom that we have here is going to have LVP flooring, just like the rest of the house, and this window faces the front of your property. This bedroom, not only is it functional, it's so spacious. As you can see, you can probably put a queen or a king size bed. You have recessed lighting and you have a built-in closet with tons of space. As we walk down the hallway, you're gonna have another linen closet, this one even bigger than the first one. Now the second guest bedroom overlooks the side of your property, but with the window that you have here, it brings in a lot of natural light and it does not feel warm. It still feels very cozy, very comfortable. Just like the previous bedroom, again, no carpet throughout, and a very spacious built-in closet right behind these doors. Directly across from the second bedroom is going to be a shared bathroom. Now this one is going to have a dual shower and tub action, right? So you have tile that goes up, you have a sleek shower panel right over here, you have double vanities, and you're also going to have a door that leads to your pool. Now from this bathroom, directly down the hall, you're going to have the last guest bedroom. If you're someone like myself, I have a very big family, so when we're hosting, they like to have their privacy and space. This bedroom offers that. You have tons of space for furniture, you have a built-in closet over here, but this bedroom is special because you have a private bathroom and access to the outside as well. Now in this bathroom, you're gonna have a tile shower, a beautiful herringbone pattern that you see going all the way up, and you have a beautiful vanity as well. This bathroom also offers an exit towards your pool, which we'll take a look at in just a minute. Now that wraps up the guest bedrooms. Let's go to the other side of the house and see where the magic happens. Now behind the kitchen, you're gonna have your primary bedroom. Not only does it offer style, it offers functionality and privacy. As you can see, you have a lot of space for a beautiful king size bed, and you have an entry towards the pool too. In this bedroom, you're also gonna have not one, but 2 walk-in closets. Both walk-in closets have a lot of space for cabinetry on the bottom, but you also have wire racks already installed. Now this primary bathroom is a treat. You have a beautiful shower here that has 2 different types of tile. You have double shower heads with a double vanity and tons of storage in this floating cabinet. You also have a private toilet room, and over here tucked away you have some shelving for extra storage. Now imagine getting ready in the morning in this beautiful space. It feels very peaceful. Well, that wraps up our bedrooms. Let's go take a look at your laundry and your garage. This home was renovated by a husband and wife duo. Now the husband takes care of the entire house, but the kitchen, this is where she thrives. She has her own renovation business and interior design business. We're gonna link her contact down below. Now let's go take a look at your laundry room. If you enjoy doing laundry like myself, I know that's a little crazy, but this laundry room has it all. Not only do you have space to fold, you have cabinetry, a beautiful rack, and it's tucked away for added privacy. You're not gonna hear any noise while you're sleeping, doing homework, cooking, everything is tucked away. Now, outside of your laundry room, let's go take a look at your garage. Remember how earlier we saw that you have tons of space for parking out front? This garage offers much more. You have space for 2 cars to park in here, you have a beautiful window, and honestly, some space for storage as well. If you wanted to create a home gym, if you have a craftsman working area, you have the space to do so. Well, that wraps up our garage. Let's go take a look at the pool and then the pool house right beside it. All right, guys, so we are in the additional unit by the pool. Now you can use this as a pool home or a mother-in-law unit, somewhere to put your 18-year-old kid after college, whatever you need. But it comes fully equipped. So you have a beautiful vaulted ceiling living room here. And as you can see, they've staged it for a lot of space for furniture. If you're watching a movie, entertaining, you have tons of space. This ADU is 600 square feet, but thoughtfully planned out in detail. You have your kitchenette here, you have an induction stove, refrigerator, microwave, everything you need. Now behind this door is gonna be your primary bedroom. So it's 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, just in 600 square feet, but everything feels so spacious. They have a queen size bed here with beautiful windows that overlook the side of the property. Now in here, you're gonna have your built-in closet, your laundry space, and a full shower. Tons of upgrades just like the first house. Now that wraps up our additional dwelling unit. Let's go take a look at the pool and finish the tour. Stepping outside of the mother-in-law unit, you're gonna have a screened-in pool. Perfect for summer days in Florida, but also perfect for winters in Florida. We are in the month of February and it's 70 degrees, the sun is shining, and the pool is pristine. This home sits on almost 1 acre, so tons of space for privacy with this wooded area right behind you that divides you from the next property as well. Now, besides this screened-in pool, you also have this amazing space to host and for entertaining. You have a paved patio with tons of space for an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor living set, truly whatever you dream. You can have the kids' toys out here, but storage and functionality is no lack in this home. Well, that wraps up our exterior. Let's go inside and finish today's tour. We just toured a beautifully renovated home right outside of Orlando, Florida, featuring spacious bedrooms, modern upgrades, and in a prime location. Again, I'm Nicole Montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to relocate, if you're buying for the first time, or have questions regarding this property, you can find my contact in the description below. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.